Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to day 3 of our 12 Days of Christmas series. Today I'm also taking part in the DIY challenge hosted by Heidi over at Heidi Sonboul DIY. I'll link her channel and the playlist in the description box below. Please be sure to check it out for all the other lovely entries. Now, for my entry, I decided to do a winter wonderland winter village. The theme was winter DIYs, and what's more apt than a little bit of Christmas village or winter village, whatever you call it. I got these embellishments wooden house from Santosh, and here you can see me assembling it. Once that was done, I took some chalk paint and I painted all the houses white. I gave it one coat, which was sufficient because this paint is quite thick. The advantage of chalk paint is that it dries fast, and so it's a quick project. I gave the roof and the house a quick coat of white, and then I painted the roofs a bright red and another roof stone grey color. And then I used some sketch pen to draw the doors and the windows. Once all the houses were painted, it was assembly time. I took this baking tray, which I don't use anymore. And I used some rangoli powder for the snow. And yes, some bottle brush Christmas trees. I first added a layer of the rangoli powder. It also had a nice sparkle to it, so it gave a pretty snowy effect. I arranged the houses to my liking and then arranged the Christmas trees. And added this small bike. And then I took some of the rangoli powder and sprinkled it onto the house tops. And then as a final touch, I added some fairy lights to it. This is how it looks with the lights turned on. And this is how it looks at night time. And my simple DIY is ready. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye.